All right, guys, today we are going to remove the front and rear baffle supports on a Lopi wood burning stove, and then we're going to reinstall them. So this model is a Revere. It's a fireplace insert. The Lopi Endeavor and the Lopi and Avalon 1750i Republic, those models also have the very same exact baffle system. So this would be applicable to all of those models. Now there are two baffle supports here. There's the front, which is the S support, which sits above this front air tube. And then there is the rear, which is the T support, and that actually sits between the middle and rear air tube there. Need to get some air tube roll pins, but we're not dealing with air tubes today. We're talking about these baffle supports. So anyways, and then there are fire bricks sitting between the supports. There are two fire brick up in there on these models, and they are sitting widthwise along the stove. So in order to get this front baffle support out, what we're going to do is I lift the brick up and slide them backwards on top of the other fire brick and get them out of the way. Then this front air tube can roll out towards the front, or you might also try and get it down from the back, but I find that it's easier to pop it up there. It's a bit more difficult going that way. So roll it forward. Try it out. Okay, so this profile on the support, again, is they call this an S. It's kind of got a little bit of an S shape. And what it does is it's got this 90-degree angle in here. It's just basically a piece of angle iron with this front piece on it. The fire bricks sit flat on this 90-degree ledge. There are steel supports on the side of the unit up in here. See this flat piece right in there? That's where the support sits. There's one on either side. And then the air tube sits right inside this area. Okay, so now that we got that out and out of the way, then we can pull our fire brick out of there. And so grab a hold of those, fire it down. Fairly easy. Okay, and then that gives us access to the rear support. Now the rear support is also sitting on a steel ledge on either side. We simply just pull this support forward. And I like to bring it all the way to the front of the stove, over to the front air tube, and then it drops right out. So the profile on this guy is a T. It's just two pieces of angle iron kind of welded together there. Same concept. This flat part of the T sits on those ledges on the side of the unit. We have the front brick sit right here, and the rear brick and the baffle plate. Oh, well, there's rear fire brick here, and then there's the bypass damper plate that sits at the back. But anyway, so we got fire brick here, fire brick here. All right, that's removing your front and rear baffle supports on a Lopi Revere, Endeavor, or 1750i Republic.